Hello students, today I will discuss about titration calculations to find out concentration of a solution. Please subscribe, like and share my channel and press on playlist to get your own content. Now let's move. Titration calculation, you know what is titration. This is on calculations, how you can, from this video you can learn how you can calculate concentration after doing titration, after completing titration. This is my titration calculation lecture 1. You see, P is a mixture of equal volume of dilute hydrochloric acid and dilute sulfuric acid. P is a mixture of two acids, one hydrochloric acid, other is sulfuric acid. Now the concentration of hydrogen ion in P is determined by titration this solution with aqueous sodium carbonate. That means acid is titrated with sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is alkaline. Here Q is a sodium carbonate. Its concentration is 0.275 mole per dm cube. So sodium carbonate concentration is given. Now put P in the burette. P need to be taken into the burette, and pipette, you know pipette, 25 centimeter cube of Q means sodium carbonate, is taken into a flux, into conical flux, and titrated with P. P means what? P is a mixture of hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid using methyl orange indicator. Sodium carbonate is titrated with a mixture of hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Now sodium carbonate concentration is 0.0275, volume is given 25 centimeter cube. Now you see, using the best titration result, the average volume of P means acid, hydrogen ion, volume is 24.5 centimeter cube. This value is obtained from titration. Now you see, the ionic equation for this reaction means acid plus carbonate ion to form water and carbon dioxide. Ratio 1 mole carbonate reacts with 2 mole hydrogen ion. 1:2 reaction ratio. Now you are asking, calculate the concentration in mole per dm cube of hydrogen ion in P. Hydrogen ion concentration is what? Question is asking. Now you know N means number of moles of sodium carbonate equal N equals CV. C means concentration, V means volume. So moles of sodium carbonate concentration times volume. Volume is 25 divided by 1000. It has been converted to dm cube. Now this is the moles of sodium carbonate. Then this 1 mole, this 2 mole. Hydrogen ion is twice of carbonate ion, twice time greater than carbonate ion. So moles of hydrogen ion, moles of acid, this times 2, you get this value. Now concentration equal number of mole divided by volume. So number of mole you calculate here, add here, volume mean titer 24.5 divided by 1000, converted to dm cube, you get this value 0.561 mole per dm cube concentration. This mole per dm cube, mole per dm cube. Now next one, you know already P is a mixture of dilute hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. The concentration of hydrochloric acid in P is given 0.135. Concentration of hydrochloric acid is P is given 0.135. Now question is asking you calculate your answer 1, previous answer, to calculate the number of moles of hydrogen ion from sulfuric acid. So here 2 hydrochloric acid plus sulfuric acid, hydrogen ion comes from these 2 acid. So total value you calculate in 1, 0.561 mole per dm cube, and this is from hydrochloric acid. So if you subtract hydrochloric acid value, you get moles of hydrogen ion in 1 dm cube of P due to sulfuric acid, you get this value. So 2 acid, this is the 2 acid value, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. So total from total this value, if you subtract hydrochloric acid, you get moles of hydrogen ion which come from sulfuric acid. Simply you can get. Now next question you are asking, use your answer to previous question to calculate the concentration in mole per dm cube of sulfuric acid. So already you know hydrogen ion concentration. A solution is 1 mole per dm cube, so concentration and number of mole numerical values are same. So moles of hydrogen ion 2 times, sulfuric acid 1 mole. So concentration of sulfuric acid in P, this value divided by 2. Hydrogen ion 2H plus ion, sulfuric acid 1 value. Sulfuric acid is the half of hydrogen ion. If you divide by 2, you get this value. Now 4, P is a mixture of equal volume of hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. P is a mixture of equal volume of hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. So calculate the concentration in mole per dm cube of dilute hydrochloric acid used to make P, dilute dilute hydrochloric acid. And you know, equal volume, when you add equal volume, their concentration will be half. So sulfuric acid give 2S plus, hydrochloric acid give only 1S plus. So hydrochloric acid concentration need 2 times more, times 2 hydrochloric, this is the hydrochloric acid value 0.135 times 2, this concentration will be 0.27 mole per dm cube. As it 2 times, then it produce 2 hydrogen ion, then this plus this 4s plus ion will be produced. So if equal volume double, total concentration will be 2s plus, and 2s plus reacts with carbonate ion. So concentration of dilute hydrochloric acid before mixing will be 0.135 times 2, I mean 0.270 mole per dm cube. Now another problem. A solution of hydrochloric acid is titrated against standard solution of sodium hydroxide. Hydrochloric acid is titrated neutralization reaction with sodium hydroxide. It is found that 20 centimeter cube volume is 20 centimeter cube of acid neutralize 25 centimeter cube of 0.10 mole per dm cube sodium hydroxide. What is the concentration of hydrochloric acid solution? This question, sodium hydroxide volume is given 25 centimeter cube, concentration is given 0.1 mole per dm cube, and hydrochloric acid volume is given only. So you have to calculate concentration of hydrochloric acid what? Now you see, first number of moles of sodium hydroxide concentration times volume. Concentration 0.10 is given, volume also given 25 divided by 1000. 25 centimeter cube has been converted to dm cube. You know, 1 dm cube equal 1000 centimeter cube. 1000 centimeter cube. 1 dm cube equal 1 dm cube equal 1000 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. So any centimeter cube divided by 1000, it will be converted to dm cube. Now from the equation, hydrochloric acid 1 mole, sodium hydroxide 1 mole, mole ratio is same, sodium hydroxide ratio 1:1. So moles of sodium hydroxide, this mole will be equal moles of hydrochloric acid because their mole ratio 1:1. So now moles of hydrochloric acid 0.0025 moles. Now concentration of hydrochloric acid, N equals Cv, C equal N by V. So number of mole divided by volume. Hydrochloric acid volume is given 20 centimeter cube. It has been converted to dm cube. So 0.125 mole per dm cube is the concentration of hydrochloric acid. So first, moles of sodium hydroxide concentration times volume, you get the moles of sodium hydroxide. Moles of hydrochloric acid will be same as sodium hydroxide because their mole ratio 1:1. So now concentration of hydrochloric acid, number of mole divided by volume, 20 centimeter cube volume is given on question, 20 divided by 1000, it has been converted to dm cube. So answer will be 0.125 mole per dm cube. Thank you, dear students.